Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to make fluffy blueberry pancakes. Now, I've done fluffy pancakes and souffle pancakes in the past. I will link those recipe videos below. But today I'm taking my fluffy pancakes recipe, tweaking it a bit, and making fresh blueberry pancakes. Here we go. To get started, in a large bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 3 egg yolks. In this recipe, I'm using 3 large eggs separated. Now, I probably should have mixed all my wet ingredients first, so be sure to do that. Now I'm adding 1½ cups of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm just going to mix and combine, and this doesn't have to be smooth. Try not to overmix. You might want to actually use a spoon and fold, but I'm using a whisk. Okay, so to make this extra fluffy, I am going to beat and whisk my egg whites until stiff peaks. These are chilled. By the way, it does help if they are chilled before beating. So now that they're at stiff peaks, I'm just going to fold them into my pancake batter. So this batter is going to be thick and fluffy. It's not a runny, loose pancake batter. And you could essentially just mix all the ingredients in a bowl, but I wanted to beat the egg whites till stiff peaks because it does make things extra fluffy, light, and airy. Now I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries. You can add more if you like. This is just what I'm working with today. Now I'm going to gently fold it into my batter. Okay, so I'm going to preheat my griddle. And once it's preheated, you'll want to use a low heat because if you use high, it'll burn. So it's preheating. I'm adding a little bit of cooking oil and I'm just going to wipe it and spread it all over my griddle. And now I'm just going to add a ladleful of my batter right in the center and cook it slowly. This is a very thick batter, so if you have your heat on high, it's going to burn before the inside cooks. This is going to take a couple minutes on each side over a low heat setting. So for these thicker pancakes, you might not see a lot of air bubbles before flipping, but like I said, take your time with this, use a low flame, and make sure the center cooks through. It's going to take several minutes on each side. For those of you that want to see a thinner pancake batter, I'm taking my thick pancake batter and I'm adding just a little bit of milk. Now, if you could add more buttermilk, but it might come out too sour or tangy, so this is why I opted for regular milk. And I'm just going to fold this in, and you have a thinner pancake batter that's pretty much typical when you make pancakes. And it all works. I'm just experimenting today. So I'm just going to add a ladleful to the griddle and continue cooking. And using a thinner pancake batter, you will see more of those air bubbles form as opposed to the thicker batter. But either way, take your time, low heat, and cook through. So here's what the thinner pancakes look like. I just created a short stack here. And I'm going to be making coffee. So I'm going to brew some coffee on the stovetop, and then it's almost time for breakfast. And I'll show you what my fluffy pancakes look like. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.